Hi, my name is Elizabeth Gallagher and I'm from Louisville, Kentucky. The title of my research project is called Exploring the Conversion of Plastics to Porous Carbon. As we all know, plastic waste is one of the largest environmental problems that the world is facing today. Americans consume approximately 33.6 million tons of plastic annually, but we only recycle about 10% of this. This means that 90% of our plastic ends up in places like landfills or even the ocean. Additionally, 1 million marine animals die each year due to plastic waste in the ocean, and this isn't even taking into account the amount of land animals or even humans that are harmed each year due to plastic waste. But what if we could halt this catastrophe in its tracks and create useful material in the process? That's why the Goldmine Project is to convert plastics to porous carbon using a plasma reactor. This method is environmentally friendly as plasma recycling differs from combustion because it doesn't create CO2 emissions. Additionally, this is a simple one-step process which allows for environmental and economic feasibility. So in this year's project, I specifically looked at PET or plastic bottles, PVC, which makes up things like pipes, and acrylic, also known as polymethyl methacrylate. I looked at these plastics and exposed them to plasma and determined that both the PET plastic bottles and the PVC could be converted to porous carbon using a plasma reactor. This is extremely important because it means that plastic waste can be converted into a useful material using a simple method. Porous carbon or activated carbon has thousands of applications and is extremely valuable. I'm looking forward to doing more research on this project in the future and examining more variables that have to do with the creation of porous carbon from a plasma reactor. Thank you so much for listening to my project today.